Professor, I know whole numbers to octal, but what about decimal point numbers like 25375?
Excellent question, Benny. Today we'll learn decimal point to octal conversion.
Wow, really? Let's do it!
A decimal point number has two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. For 25.375, the integer part is 25 and the fraction part is 0.375.
So we solve them separately.
First, convert the integer part using repeated division by 8. 25 becomes octal 31.
That part is easy.
Now comes the fractional part. For fractions, we use repeated multiplication by 8. Multiply by 8 instead of divide? Exactly! Step 1, multiply 0.375 by 8. It becomes 3. We keep the integer part, which is 3. Now the fractional part became 0. So we stop right here.
That was fast!
Now combine both parts. 25.375 in decimal becomes
31.3 in octal. So decimal point numbers can become octal too!
Yes! Divide by 8 for the integer part and multiply by 8 for the fraction part. Octal numbers were used in computer systems because they simplify large binary numbers.
So octal makes computer calculations easier.
Remember, divide for the integer part, multiply for the fraction part.
Now octal conversion feels super easy.
See you in the next lesson!